Hello friends, the Premier League continues to delight us with top matches, and this round features Manchester City against Brighton. Two teams with different styles but a shared philosophy of attacking football. Will City produce another thrashing, or can Brighton surprise us? But before the analysis and predictions, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here we have daily predictions and match breakdowns to help you make the right bets. And don't forget about my Telegram channel, where new subscribers always get free VIP bets. Let's see if this match is as one-sided as it seems. And at the end of the video, I have an interesting football fact for you. So let's go, guys. Manchester City is always about dominance and ball control. However, the team lacks stability and often looks unimpressive. Guardiola's side averages 2.4 goals per match and concedes quite a lot for their level, 1.6 goals per match. City wins an average of 6.4 corners per game and plays cautiously, earning just 0.9 yellow cards per match. Their pressing is still ineffective, with clear issues in coordinated team movements and physical readiness. However, their positional defense has noticeably improved in terms of energy. After defeats to Liverpool and Real Madrid, City got back on the winning track, beating Tottenham 1-0 and Plymouth 3-1. Brighton is in excellent form, 5 consecutive wins including a 4-0 thrashing of Southampton and a 3-0 victory over Chelsea. The team has been a huge surprise this season, delivering impressive results. Brighton for me is the revelation of the season. They concede an average of 1.4 goals per match and score 1.8. They win 4.9 corners per match and can play tough, picking up 2.2 yellow cards per game. The head-to-head history favors the hosts. City has won 13 out of 17 matches against Brighton, with an average of 3.35 goals per game. Brighton, on the other hand, has managed to beat City only twice in history. In the first round, Brighton shocked everyone by beating City 2-1. Now for the most interesting part, what to bet on. My main bet and predicted score 2-2. Yes, a draw. I think City won't win, even at home. Brighton will manage to secure a draw. So what do you think, guys? If you like to take risks differently than I do, here are all the betting options. Manchester City to win. The citizens should take revenge for their first round loss, and given both teams' attacking styles, the match should be high scoring. Both teams to score. Yes, Brighton is really good. That's all for today, guys. Want more predictions and VIP bets? Subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I give free VIP bets to all new subscribers. See you soon, guys. And now let's get to the fact of the day. In 2015, the longest football match in history was played in the English city of Southampton. It lasted 105 hours. Two teams of volunteers took turns playing to endure the marathon. The match was organized for charity, and the final score was incredible: 872 and 715. This record was officially entered into the Guinness World Records as the longest football match in history. A very British story.